Welcome back to the Team Tutorial class. In today's class, we're looking at angle of elevation and depression. Now, what do we mean by angle of elevation? Simply put, angle of elevation means to look straight and look up. In that case, since we know that angle elevate means to go up, to take high, okay, or to increase. In that case, angle elevation means what? To look straight and what? Look up. And represent that angle with what? Say theta. Now, that's for angle of elevation. For angle of depression, it's the opposite form. In which case, we have angle of depression to what? Look straight and what? And look down. Now, why do you look straight? Now, we're looking straight because that's the point of projection. Okay, so from that point, we're going to get our point of projection. Either going to look up or look down. And represent that point also with what? With say alpha. Where this is what? Our angle of what? Depression. Example 1. From the top of a tower, a student of height 1.7 meters measures the angle of depression of a large parcel at 65 degrees. If the parcel is 25 meters from the base of the tower, what is the height of the tower? Now, to solve questions in mathematics, the first thing we need to know is that what mathematics question, we have to solve them step by step. Now, looking at the first sentence, we said from the top of a tower, a student of height 1.7 meter. In that case, assuming this is the tower, okay, this is the top of the tower, the student is what 1.7 meters in that case. Measures the angle of depression. Now, the student measures the angle of depression. This is the height of the student. So his face could be, or his height should be here. So as explained earlier, depression means what? Look straight and what? Look down. In that case, this angle is going to be what? 65 degrees. Look straight and look down. Just join this, the base of the tower with the angle of depression. In which case, this place automatically is also what? 65 degrees. Why? Because this place opposite to what? This place. Now, if the parcel is 25 meters from the base of the tower, this is the tower. Okay? This is the base of the tower. In which case, the distance there was 25 meters. What to find what? What to find the height of the tower. Okay? What to find the height of the what? Of the tower. To solve this, we can find this whole height. After forgetting this whole height, then you subtract 1.7 meters from the whole height to get what? The height of the tower. Now, to get the whole height, let's call that place x. In which case, this is our opposite, and this is our adjacent. So I'm using tan. So tan what? Tan 65 equals to what? Equals to what? Adjacent. So that's why we have tan equals to adjacent. And opposite here is what? X over adjacent. That's what? 25 meters, which is 25 meters. Now, bringing the equation together, we are going to what? Solve for x. In which case, we have tan what? 65 to be equals to what? X over what? 25. Now, x is going to be equals to what? 25 times 65. In which case, we are going to have our answer to be 53.61 meters. Now, the question says we should look for what? The height of the tower. In which case, we've gotten the height from the height of the guy to the foot of the tower to what? 53.61 meters. Now, to get the height of the tower, we'll have it by what? Subtracting the height of the boy standing from what? The height of the tower. Okay? Make the answer to be 51.9 meters. Example 2. A student measures the angle of elevation of a building from two different points, as shown in the diagram below. From the point P and Q, he finds the angle of elevation at the top of the building to what? 37 degrees and 58 degrees, respectively. If the distance between P and Q is 48 meters, calculate the height of the building. Now, the diagram is already given to us on board. That's from the question. Now I have to look for what? I have to look for what? The height of the what? Of the building. Now in which case, to solve this, what can we do? To solve this, I can either look for this place first, okay, then get this, or I look for this angle, this side then get what? The height of the building. But let's go with this. I have to get this side first. To get this side first, I'm going to use what? Sine rule. Okay, where we have sine root what? For PQR, we have sine root what? Sine what? P over what? Small p equals what? Sine what? Q over what? Small q equals what? Sine what? R over what? Small r. Now, in which case, I must have a side and a respective angle complete. Then I can now get this other, the side of the angle. So, to get this side, as simple as saying what? Get this angle first. Okay? Get this angle. Then I can now get this what? This side. How do I get this angle? That becomes what? 180 what? Minus 58. Okay? Which gives us what? 122 degrees. What's the reason? Angle on the what? Straight line. Okay, angle on the straight line will get angle PQR. So, in that case, to get angle PRQ in that case will what? This plus this from 180 will get what? This angle, which becomes what? 180 minus what? 122 plus what? 37. So, this becomes what? 180 minus what? That's 159. Leaving answer to what? 21 degrees. Now, this place is what? 21 degrees. This place is what? 122 degrees. Okay? Now, to get this side, I will be using what? Sine rule. So I'm using that of Q and R respectively. That becomes what? Sine, starting with Q. Sine Q, that's sine Q over Q equals what? Sine what? R over what? Over R. Where Q is what? 122 degrees, that becomes what? Sine 122 over what? Q is not known. Q equals to what? Sine R is what? 21 degrees over R. Where is R? R is what? 48 what? 48 meters. In which case my Q will be what? Will be 48 sine what? 122 over what? Sine 21 degrees. Leaving our answer to be what? 113.46 meters. Now, I've gotten my Q. Now, to get the distance now, to get the height of the building, I have this to be what? Already 113.6 meters. Getting this is also simple. I'll be using this angle, which makes this my opposite, and this is my hypotenuse. So I'm using sine 37 to be equal to what? Opposite of hypotenuse. So my opposite is what? G, the height I'm looking for. Over hypotenuse is what? 113.6. Now on solving, we have a D to what? 113.6 times what? Sine 37. In which case, we have our answer to what? D is equals to 68.36 meters.